is what I do with my son. I tell them there's 4 there, right? There's 3 there, right? So that makes it 34. There are 7 there, right? There's 4 there, so that makes it 47. So I'm adding these 2, right? So I'm going to take these 4, and I'm going to add them with these 7, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do is every time I gather 10, I'm going to have an explosion. So here's my first. Oops. So now I have how many dots in that little circle?
1.
How many do I have here?
10.
10. So and I'm going to blow it up. And what's going to happen is when I blow it up, I'm going to have an explosion on the other card. So now, what's left over here? 1. So now I'm going to take that explosion plus, how many of the other ones here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many do I have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is? Okay? The kids love explosions. And if you can make it as interesting as you can, the kids will just retain the information and it will last them, I'm telling you, it will last them a life.